I'm Bird Flu, and I came yesterday. Which means I came 2012, the last day of 2012, here. Now 2013 now, since it's 2013 now, and it's January 1st, so I'm 1 year old already. Then I'll teach you something. I am a black, super black guy that looks like an iron with white eyes and white and black eyes, and I look like a bird. So let me show you my flying talent. Done. That was it. Thank you for watching my show. Now that's it. You think it's quite short, but it's quite amazing, right? So thank you for watching my show. Be sure to watch other makeup videos. Bye. Goodbye.